you living, how you feeling, Versatile Squad, y'all. Today we actually on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, so if it is a little shaky, y'all, that's why. Let's go ahead and get into this video. As y'all can see, got a nice little X pipe in there, y'all, from Total Flow. Let's get that thing out the box because it is nice and polished for your boy, man. Got that TF logo on there, Total Flow. We actually got two of them, y'all. It's two of them, y'all, because I want to clean up. When you do like any type of muffler delete or exhaust delete on the Ram or any Hemi, y'all, it's raspy. Y'all hear them cutting up in traffic all the time. It's raspy, loud, annoying. This is gonna help with that exhaust scavenging as well, y'all. Able to hold like some excuse me, able to keep some of the performance that the muffler adds, y'all. Even though it's a little bit restrictive, this X pipe, y'all, it should help. It's gonna help it. That's all I can say, man. Without getting too nerdy, getting to all the details, it's gonna help with some of that power loss, y'all. Hopefully I shouldn't get none at all. So I'm adding two, y'all, and clean up all that raspiness, like I said. And then y'all know we gotta go crazy with the rear, y'all. You know we gotta go crazy with the tips. Got some stupid tips that's about to go on it, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna see y'all at the muffler shop. So y'all, this is what I was talking about right here. It goes from 3-inch to the cats, and then it goes into a Y. But look at this bend they got right there for the Y. That's crazy. So my plan is on putting the X pipe right here in place of that, eliminating this 3-inch single pipe, y'all. And then we're gonna dual it, 3-inch duals all the way to the back. Once we get back here, that's when we're gonna add that second Y pipe or X pipe. Then dual it out the back, y'all, and continue to dual. Then we got those crazy tips I was telling y'all about. Let's see how it's gonna come out. Basically, I was saying, y'all, so when it enters this X pipe, it hits a high pressure zone, y'all, which creates positive exhaust pulses, y'all, and thus creating like a vacuum effect. So it's sucking, it starts to suck it through the, I was getting a phone call. It starts to suck through the exhaust system, y'all, causing like a little vacuum effect. So it increases the exhaust flow, thus increasing horsepower. Because therefore, y'all know, like, more air equals more horsepower. Damn, can't even talk right now. So with that being said, y'all, this should give me some gains. Not right out the back, y'all, because you know you're gonna need some supporting mods. I have the stock tune on the truck, so after I get a tuner or whatever, and I get it tuned for the muffler delete or the headers, or this system, the double X pipe system, will make more sense when I get some more supporting mods, y'all. That's where I'm getting at. So I just want to better break that exhaust scavenging down for y'all a little bit more. But y'all should definitely look into it, because that X pipe ain't no joke. Gave it a nice deep tone, y'all. Seen no. Yeah, you do. Appreciate it. Sound like a truck now. Yeah. For real. That's the muffler they cut out, y'all. And it had wide in to one single 3-inch. So we took that out, added true 2 dual X pipe, kind of. So it X'd where it was the Y, and it came back to 2 3-inch pipes. Then I X'd it again where it meets right here, then we dual it again. So it's somewhat of an X true dual setup. I think we might have trouble fixing that. Alright. Yeah, you can leave it like that, boss, that's fine. Appreciate it. Alright, y'all, look, so supposedly, alright, you too, appreciate it. Alright. So far, y'all, nobody else has tried that. Sheesh. She sound pretty good. Thank you. Nobody else has tried the 2 X pipe setup. For some reason, people were scared of it. But if you're going the route I'm going, it makes sense in my head to do this now. like kind of set like a little bass exhaust setup that I want for now. Cause I don't want it to be too loud, too crazy. It is a truck, you know, so it's not the sports car, it's not the Vet. Like I said again, man, this is not replacing the Vet. This is just replacing my Ram 2500 that I had that got taken out by a drunk driver, man. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out right there. Sheesh. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below. Wait, I don't think we're not gonna end it yet, y'all. We're not gonna end it yet. I'm gonna get a drive on the way home so y'all can hear how it sounds inside the truck. And then I'm gonna get back at y'all on the road. All right, y'all, so we back in the truck, man. I'm not gonna lie, it sounds pretty damn good for what it is. Like I was saying, though, I don't know why people are scared to try this setup, man. Like, if anything, just go get it taken back off and have a straight pipe weld in place of it. But we got a nice little on-ramp. We are in Texas. Sound pretty good. We ain't going nowhere, but it sounds pretty good, y'all. Oh, hey, speed limit. Yeah, y'all, for what it is right now, the setup that I have, it sounds pretty damn good. And like I was saying earlier, man, it may not make sense now why I did a dual X pipe, but maybe later on it will. Hopefully they play a big part in my setup once it's all complete. You can see, man, it's really not that much drone, if any. It's like non-existent, because if you had the radio going, you're really not gonna hear it. And it's like a nice deep tone, y'all. It's not raspy. That's why I did two of them, y'all, because I feel like just one wasn't enough due to the length of the exhaust. So I was like, if I do two, because I watched the video on it before. Shout out to Exhaust Addicts. Well, it's gonna pop up right there, man. They had a true dual setup with just one X pipe, and it sounded pretty good. But I felt like if I added two, it would have cut out that little rasp it had left, and it definitely did. Corsa actually has a exhaust setup like this with an actual true X pipe, 2 X pipe setup. It's called a double helix X pipe. I had it on the Vet, and I was like, man, it didn't really give it the sound I wanted, because it sounded like a truck, low key a little bit, y'all. It don't what you call it? Don't take it the wrong way, y'all. The Vet did sound good when I did this. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out right there. But it sounded like a deep tone, like truck note, in a way. Oh yeah, we got to move out this nigga way. Speaking of getting out the way, oh yeah, you got all that wood in the back. We don't want that. You keep that shit all in your truck, not on the road. That is another reason why I got a truck, y'all, because as y'all see on the freeway, man, people be carrying lumber, couches, mattresses, man, and they fall out in the middle of the road. And guess what? You got a sports car. It's late at night. You ain't gonna see that shit till you right up on it. It's too late. Boom. Hey, guess what? That's another video right there. Me and the Vet went through it. So that was another reason for me getting the truck right now, y'all. But like I was saying, this is not gonna replace the truck. I mean the Vet. I gotta keep reiterating that, y'all. This is not replacing the Vet. Definitely getting another sports car. It's just not ready yet. That's all I can say. But for now, we're gonna make this build right here a monster. She gonna be nasty, because I always wanted that setup, y'all. I wanted a Ram truck with a Vet in the driveway. You just can't beat that. That's just two sexy vehicles, y'all. But now, y'all, that's gonna be it for this one. Y'all remember to stay versatile, treat each day like it's y'all Friday, man, and go ahead and like it's y'all last. We out.